Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy a domain name for your Facebook game, okay? As I have said in the previous video, we need to pick a niche for our website. If you already done that, then it's time to select and buy a domain name for our game. I have chosen the win niche, okay? Win. So I will be buying a domain name for this niche. I will go with the .fun extension because it means something fun, okay? And second, it's cheap. It's only $1. So this is a good option for people with low budget. And also, if you are planning to create mini games, this is a good extension and a cheaper one. Instead of buying .com, which is $10, okay, you can buy like 10 domain names with the same money and create 10 games, which means you will be having 10 websites. So first thing, we go to Namecheap. I'm using Namecheap for domain names because it's cheaper, and also we will be buying the hosting right here, okay? They are offering a cheap hosting. That's why I'm using Namecheap for both the hosting and the registrar, okay, and for the domain names. Let's, for example, see the domain name will be cwin.fun, for example, and let's hit the search button. I hope it will be available. Yeah, and yes, it's available, okay. But it cost like $2. I don't know why they changed their prices, but it's still cheap. So say win, okay. After that we click view cart. Namecheap are offering free host guard, which means your information will be private for free for the whole year. And that's a good thing. Then click confirm order. Then we need to register an account, okay, to create a new account. Say win, for example, username, the password, something like this, okay. First name Younes. Let me change it, Younes, and I will be using this Gmail account they have, okay. This is your Gmail account right here, and hit create account and continue, okay. You will have to enter your address. I will use my address right here. Also, you need to put your phone number. Then click continue. Again, click continue. For the payment method, you may use your credit card, but I recommend using PayPal because they protect buyers, okay. In case of some problems, you can ask for your money back. It's harder to do that when you are paying with your card directly. So yeah, I recommend using PayPal to do your online payments. Then we click continue. and check out with PayPal. Okay, English. Now we hit login. Okay, login into our PayPal account. And we click continue. And we are done. Okay, now we will wait until Namecheap finish the transaction. We go back to our dashboard. Okay, and we have our domain name right here. Now you need to edit your domain name. Okay, you need to edit the DNS of your domain name. We click on manage. And since we will be using Namecheap as a hosting tool, we will change this one to web hosting DNS. Okay, the second choice. And we hit save. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video where I will be showing you how to buy a hosting with Namecheap.